Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello sir, hello friend. We are from group 2 wanna present it about basic concept of PPN and PPNBM. Now I wanna introduce our group member before. Our first member is Bonariki Jordan Century. The second is me, Fadel Muhammad, and the third is Nabila. Before we start the presentation, I hope you all, my friends, pay attention to our group presentation. Okay, here we go. Okay, the first is about object of PPN and PPNBM. Based on the PPN and PPNBM law article 4 paragraph 1, the categories include as VAT object include: first is delivery of BKP in custom area by entrepreneur. Second, import the BKP. The third is delivery of GKP in the custom area by entrepreneur. The fourth is use intangible BKP from outside the custom area inside the custom area. 5. Use of GKP from outside the custom area inside the custom area. 6. BKP export are tangible by PKP. 7. Intangible BKP export by PKP. And the last is GKP export by PKP. Okay, for object of PPN based on the PPN law and PPNBM Article 16C, it is aimed at self-building activities where the producer are regulated in PMK, namely PMK, concerning limits and procedures for imposing value-added tax on self-building activities.
Hello sir and everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bonaraki Jordan Santuri, and right now I want to explain you about the subject of PPN and PPNBM. The first one we got PPN. 1. PKP. PPN will be payable or collected by PKP in the event 1. PKP submits BKP. 2. PKP submits JKP. 3. PKP exports BKP. Export intangible BKP. Export JKP. 2. Non-PKP. PPN will still be payable even though those who carry out activities that are PPN object is not PKP. Namely in the case of 1. Import of BKP. 2. Utilizing intangible taxable goods from outside the customs area within the customs area. 3. Utilizing taxable service from outside the customs area within the customs area. 4. Conducting self-building activities from Article 16C of the PPN law. The second one is PPNBM. PPNBM subject. The PPNBM subject is PKP, which produce BKP classified as luxury within the company or work environment, and entrepreneurs who import goods that are classified as luxury. However, because PPN and PPNBM are indirect tax, in principle, the tax burden can be shifted to the other parties. And in this slide, I'm gonna tell you about taxable entrepreneurs. Taxable entrepreneurs, namely entrepreneurs delivering taxable goods and or taxable service which are subject to tax based on the VAT law, who in their business activities or work produce goods, import goods, export goods, conduct trading business, utilize non-taxable goods in form of outside the customs area, conducting business service, or utilizing service from outside the customs area.
Thank you, Padel and Jordan, for the explanation. Next is value-added tax and value-added tax for luxury goods or PPNBM rates. The first is rate for value-added tax. rate for value-added tax is 10%. The rate of 10% applied to export of taxable goods or BKP intangible BKP export, and export of taxable services. The value-added tax for luxury goods or PPNBM rate is the lowest 10% and the highest is 200%. The PPNBM tax rate is applied to motorized vehicles and non-motorized vehicles. Meanwhile, the tariff is based on vehicle capacity and certain level as stipulated in the regulation of Minister of Finance or PMK. For example, motorized vehicle for transporting 10 until 15 people with ignited fuel, whether equipped with an electric motor or not, are subject to 10% tax. Next slide is basic value-added tax and value-added tax for luxury goods or PPNBM charge. The use of selling price as the basis of imposition of value-added tax is based on Article 1, Paragraph 18 of the PPN and PPNBM law. In the PPN and PPNBM law, what is meant by selling price is the value in the form of money. This monetary value includes all fees requested or supposed to be requested by the seller due to delivery of BKP, excluding value-added tax collected under the PPN and PPNBM law, as well as a discount stated in the tax invoice. Alright, that's all from our groups. Thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.